You know what I want to do? I want to tell you how to grow your Instagram account for affiliate marketing. Yeah. You want to learn the methods to making money online with affiliate marketing? Then you definitely got to subscribe and ring that bell. That way you see more videos just like this. Okay, I have started playing on Instagram and I have grown my account pretty good in the last 3 to 4 weeks. How do you do that? I'm glad that you asked. But first, I'm going to tell you about what not to do. Go ahead and put your Instagram account down below in the comments. That way I can follow you and everyone else can follow you as well. Let's talk about what you shouldn't do. You should not do follow for follow on Instagram. Apparently there's also a tag for it. Do not use it because I did some research and people have been banned for it. I'll be honest with you, there is software out there that helps you do that. But I can tell you from firsthand experience, you shouldn't do that. I decided to take my Instagram seriously, but I wanted to get rid of everybody that wasn't following me. So I downloaded one of these apps and I was just trying to get rid of people that wasn't following me, and Instagram banned me, they kicked me out. Basically the app said you can no longer do that because Instagram said no. So I'm lucky that I didn't get banned. Follow and unfollow is the worst thing you could do. Don't do it because they're starting to not show content that you post on everybody that does that. So what that means is you go and follow someone else, and then as soon as they follow you, then you go and unfollow them. I personally think that is unethical because it's just not right. Now, me personally, if someone follows me, I'm gonna try to follow them back. Now, I'll be honest, if I go and follow people and if they eventually don't follow, give them some time, but if they eventually do not follow me back, then I might unfollow them. But you should not follow and then unfollow because I know this method is taught. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, what I started doing is every morning I would take just like 10 to 15 minutes and I would like some stuff on Instagram and hearts and stuff on Instagram and maybe add a few people. And I just recently, I wasn't commenting, but I just recently started commenting on people's posts and stuff, so just the more interaction. But I'll be honest, I mean, I have grown from, I think when I first started I only had 200 to 300 and now I think I have 7 in that small amount of time, and that's all I did. So I'm just having fun with it and, you know, just liking the stuff. If they have a really cool picture, I just go on there and say, hey, that's a really cool picture, or something like that, because to Instagram, their algorithm, it's like, oh, they're interacting with us. So that's one of the main things that I did and you should do too. If you are liking this content, don't forget to give me a like. All of these tips will help you in affiliate marketing. For example, your profile. I have my profile set up with hashtags of affiliate marketing and new entrepreneurs. So I can focus on helping new entrepreneurs and people with affiliate marketing. I'll put a screenshot up here too. I also started putting video teasers of my YouTube videos up on Instagram. So basically I would create my YouTube video and then in the beginning, you know how you usually have like a teaser or what it's about, and I would use that or take a piece of the video and at the end put, you know, subscribe or go to my content that's at the top of Instagram. And I would upload that little teaser on Instagram, and that way I have it's content still that is on Instagram, and it's also helping my YouTube channel. Great tip, right? Don't forget, you can only have one link in your bio as well. So think about it, it could be your YouTube channel, which is what I'm doing with mine, because they can learn more on my YouTube channel because it talks about all kinds of things. So I have that if you have a specific program, or I've seen a lot of people just put their website. But remember, only one link. Use it wisely. Hey, if you're learning anything in this video, do me a favor and hit that like button and put in the comments just what you're liking. I recently heard this example and I really, really like it. Okay, if you're going to a party, okay, you're not gonna go into the party and be like, hey, I have something that I want to sell you. No, you don't do that. You should use Instagram to let people get to know you. So you go to a party, what you should do is be like, hey, have a couple drinks. Hey, how's it going? Ask them some questions, get to know them, find out the latest trends. And the more that you get to know them, the more that you can find out how you can actually help them. So use your Instagram account more so people can get to know you. You know, I recently did a video with my friend Stacia on Instagram. I'll put it up here so you can click on it. But wait till after you finish this video. But you know, she is honestly my favorite person that's on Instagram because of her pictures. So, but her pictures has something to tell. Like, I love her smile. So I love to look at her smile. She has a little girl. I can relate. She's a single mom. I'm a single mom. She has a little girl. I have a little girl. So that brings me in. But it's not how smart she is, even though she is super, super smart. It's her personality. It's who she is. And you see that on her Instagram account. So the number one thing that you really need to do, really soak this in, is use your Instagram account for people to get to know you. I really hope this video helped you with your Instagram and your affiliate marketing. So if it did, that's awesome. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get to see more stuff like this. And leave a comment down below for me and for you and for anybody else watching this video that you might get to help them with some more tips on Instagram. Okay guys, I love you. Down below, as always, is a link for my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the easiest and the cheapest and the best way to get in. So until my next video, I love you.